today we will discuss 5 benefits of Tai Chi for older adults. Hey, Pak Lim here. Before we start, remember to like, subscribe and click the bell icon. Tai Chi is an internal martial art that originated in China centuries ago. It's considered internal because the focus is on developing mental or spiritual strength instead of defeating an opponent through physical strength. The basic principles originate in the ancient Chinese philosophy of Taoism. There are many explanations of Tai Chi from different perspectives. In simpler terms, Tai Chi is a low-impact exercise. The gentle movements and focus on breathing can help you relax, get some light exercise, and develop body awareness. It may be especially suitable if you're an older adult who otherwise may not exercise. You can do Tai Chi anywhere, including indoors or outside. Let's talk about the benefits of Tai Chi for seniors. Benefit number 1, lower risk of falling. Practicing Tai Chi can reduce your risk of falls by up to 50%. The activity does help with core stability, which can improve your balance and awareness of where your body is in space. It can also prevent falls by boosting your confidence. That's because feeling uncertain on your feet is one of the biggest risk factors for falls. Researchers have noted that seniors who practice Tai Chi feel more confident in their daily movements, making them less likely to fall. Benefit number 2, relief from arthritis and various types of pain. Tai Chi exercises are good for arthritis and joint pain because the movements help joints retain their range of motion, so they don't stiffen further. Because the exercise is low impact and gentle, its beneficial movements don't cause unnecessary pain. As well, Tai Chi is good for a bad back because it can restore mobility to the spine without jarring movements. Similarly, it can help with sciatica by increasing hamstring flexibility and improving your core strength. Benefit number 3, improved cardiovascular health. Although it may not appear to be a very intense form of aerobic exercise, this martial art can improve your cardiovascular system. With its focus on relaxation, Tai Chi is good for high blood pressure. It has also been proven to improve the overall quality of life for people with heart failure, provide a safe form of exercise for heart attack survivors, raise good cholesterol levels and lower triglyceride levels. Benefit number 4, better sleep. For seniors who struggle with insomnia, this exercise can be a drug-free solution. That's important because many drugs used to treat sleep problems can make older adults groggy and more likely to experience a fall. A study in sleep found that seniors who practice Tai Chi, a modified form of the activity, experienced more improvements in their sleep habits than seniors who took classes on good sleep hygiene. Benefit number 5. Reduced anxiety and depression. Many studies confirm that Tai Chi can help with anxiety and depression in seniors. Because the focus is on breath and movement while doing Tai Chi, seniors get a break from thinking about daily stress. Doing activities that you enjoy can boost your mood, no matter what you do. Even mild exercise like this can raise your levels of mood-elevating endorphins. The smooth, flowing movements can relax your muscles and create a sense of well-being.